might see two different colors because that side, the green side, we literally just went and picked that up today. So that's why you see it so green. This side was they brought it, delivered it last week, and we had to put it down this week. So it's got to come back into its greenery. But the green side, you see, we didn't have enough, so we had to go purchase one today. So I had to drive all the way out to the side place just to get side. And then we had to get more than enough because we had to get a full pallet. So the extra, we had cleared this area out for the customer and put the remaining side back here. And then this is the front yard. We did it coming to the side. I'm gonna walk back around the opposite way. Well, I can walk this way. I'll just go the long way. Well, looks like I'm still get hit by the sprinklers. So, this front yard. This is us fit done. Straw down. Now what we got? Now we got the side down. Getting the water. Water is one of the most important things for either you got grass down, be that if it's seeds or side. You want to make sure it's getting plenty of water. All right. We about to load the truck. Well, we loaded up in the truck, so I'm about to get in the truck, and I'm about to head to your property next, so we can make some more money. It's the Can't Stop team.
You can't stop. Can't stop in the building.